Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Honda K24 engine is a 2.4-liter DOHC dual overhead camshaft inline-4 engine that is part of Honda's popular K-series family, introduced in 2001. It is essentially a larger displacement version of the K20, sharing many of its core design philosophies, but tuned more for accessible torque and broader applicability across a range of vehicles, from sedans and SUVs to even some performance-oriented models. It has gained a reputation for exceptional reliability, strong mid-range torque, and impressive tuning potential. Review and opinions. The K24 engine is highly regarded for its robustness, smooth power delivery, and versatility. It's often seen as a workhorse engine that can also be transformed into a high-performance power plant. Character. The K24 is known for being smooth, refined, and relatively quiet in normal driving conditions. It offers a more relaxed driving experience compared to the high-strung K20 performance variants, providing ample power without needing to be constantly revved. Performance. Depending on the variant, the K24 typically produces between 160 horsepower and 205 horsepower, with torque figures ranging from 160 to 170 lb-ft, 217 to 230 Nm. This makes it more than adequate for daily driving, highway cruising, and hauling duties in larger vehicles like the CR-V. The larger displacement gives it better low-end and mid-range torque compared to the K20, which is beneficial for everyday usability. Driving experience. It provides a linear and predictable power delivery. While not as thrilling as a K28 Type R at Redline, the K24's broad torque band makes it feel effortlessly capable in most situations. When paired with a manual transmission, it can still be quite engaging. Refinement. Excellent for a 4-cylinder engine. It runs smoothly with minimal vibrations and noise, contributing to a comfortable cabin experience. Advantages. Legendary reliability and durability. This is one of the K24's standout features. Like the K20, it's over-engineered and incredibly resilient. With proper maintenance, these engines routinely exceed 200,000 to 300,000 miles, 320,000 to 480,000 kilometers, without major overhauls. Its robust construction, including strong cylinder liners and often forged crankshafts, contributes to its longevity. Excellent tuning potential. Despite its humble origins in many daily drivers, the K24 is a favorite among tuners. It can reliably handle significant power increases, often reaching 400+ HP with forced induction, turbocharging, or supercharging, even on stock internals, and much higher with forged components, 800+ HP. Its DOHC head flows exceptionally well, making it a strong platform for modifications. Timing chain. The K24 uses a timing chain, which is designed to last the life of the engine, significantly reducing maintenance costs and complexity compared to engines with timing belts that require regular replacement. Strong torque output. The larger 2.4-liter displacement provides superior low-end and mid-range torque compared to its 2.0-liter K20 sibling, making it feel more responsive and less reliant on high RPMs for acceleration in daily driving. Widespread availability and affordability. Due to its widespread use in numerous Honda and Acura models, K24 engines are readily available in salvage yards and aftermarket, making them relatively inexpensive to source for replacements or engine swap projects. Good aftermarket support. The K-Series platform has a massive aftermarket, providing a vast array of performance parts, swap kits, and tuning solutions for the K24. Disadvantages. Less high RPM excitement. While powerful, the K24 generally doesn't have the scream or dramatic VTEC crossover of the most aggressive K20 performance engines. Its character is more utilitarian and less sporty at the very top end. Potential oil leaks. As K24 engines age and accumulate mileage, some common oil leaks can occur, such as from the front crankshaft oil seal or cam seals. These are usually manageable but require attention. Timing chain tensioner issues. High mileage while the chain itself is durable. The hydraulic timing chain tensioner can wear out over very high mileage or with neglected oil changes, leading to rattling noises, especially on cold starts. If ignored, this can lead to chain slack and potentially serious engine damage. Exhaust cam lobe galling. Less common in some instances, particularly with inconsistent oil changes or incorrect oil types. The exhaust cam lobes can show signs of wear or pitting. This is not a widespread issue, but highlights the importance of proper lubrication. Transmission weaknesses. Paired with some K24s, while the engine itself is robust, some of the automatic transmissions paired with earlier K24s, e.g., in some Accords, were known to have durability issues, particularly if subjected to harsh driving. Faults and breakdowns. The K24 is renowned for its reliability, so widespread, catastrophic failures are rare. Most reported issues are minor and related to wear and tear or maintenance. Timing chain rattling. A common symptom of a worn timing chain tensioner or stretch chain, especially noticeable on cold startup. Addressing this early is crucial to prevent further damage. Oil leaks. As mentioned, front crankshaft seal, cam seals, valve cover gaskets, and VTEC solenoid gaskets can develop leaks with age. Ignition system. Coil packs and spark plugs are wear items. Failure can lead to misfires, rough idling, and reduced power. Sensors. Like any modern engine, oxygen sensors, MEF sensors, or NOx sensors can fail, triggering check engine lights and potentially affecting performance. VTEC solenoid issues. The VTEC solenoid screen can get clogged, or the solenoid itself can fail, leading to improper VTEC engagement and reduced power. This is often related to dirty oil. Catalytic converter/O2 sensor issues. With high mileage, catalytic converters can become clogged or fail, and O2 sensors can go bad, affecting emissions and fuel economy. Fuel consumption. The K24's fuel consumption is generally considered good for a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engine, particularly its later Earth Dreams variants with direct injection. Typical real-world averages. Mixed driving. Owners often report figures in the range of 8.0 to 10.0 liters per 100 kilometers, around 23 to 29 mpg US/28 to 35 mpg imperial, depending on the vehicle, transmission, manual, automatic, or CVT, and driving habits. Later K24 engines with direct injection, like the K24W series, generally offer improved fuel economy over earlier port-injected versions. Timing. The Honda K24 engine exclusively uses a timing chain system. This is a robust and low-maintenance design. The timing chain is lubricated by engine oil and is designed to last the life of the engine, meaning there is no factory-recommended replacement interval like with timing belts. However, it's crucial to maintain proper oil levels and cleanliness, as this directly impacts the chain's longevity and the hydraulic timing chain tensioner's operation. Oil type. For most K24 engines, Honda recommends 0W, 20 or 5W, 20 full synthetic engine oil, meeting APISN or later, and ILSAC GF 5 or later specifications. Some older or specific applications might allow for 5W30. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the exact recommended viscosity and specifications. Capacity. The oil capacity for K24 engines typically ranges from 4.2 to 5.5 liters, approximately 4.4 to 5.8 U.S. quarts, with a filter change, depending on the specific K24 variant and the vehicle it's installed in. Maintenance. Regular oil and filter changes with the correct type of high-quality synthetic oil are paramount for the longevity of the K24 engine, particularly for the timing chain and VTC system. Adhering to Honda's maintenance minder system or traditional intervals, e.g., every 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers or 5,000 to 7,500 miles, is generally sufficient. Versions and history. The K24 engine is a key member of the K-Series family, which was first introduced in 2001 as a replacement for the B-Series and F-Series engines in many applications. Key design features, common across K-Series. DOHC 16 valve. Dual overhead camshafts for optimized valve control. I-Vtec, Honda's intelligent variable valve timing and lift electronic control system, incorporating VDC, variable timing control, on the intake cam for continuous timing adjustment across the RPM range. Some performance variants also had VTEC on the exhaust. Aluminum block and head. Lightweight construction for better fuel economy and handling. Coil-on plug ignition. Individual ignition coils for each spark plug for precise ignition. Counter-rotating balance shafts. In many K24 variants, these help reduce vibrations inherent in larger displacement four-cylinder engines. Notable K24 variants and applications. K24 A1, used in the 2002 to 2006 Honda CR-V and Element. Generally produced around 160 horsepower. K24 A2, one of the most sought-after K24 variants for performance and swaps. Found in the Acura TSX 2004 to 2008. Produced 200 to 205 horsepower and featured a more aggressive I-Vtec system, higher compression, and stronger internals, making it a favorite for tuning. K24 A4, found in the 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord and Honda Element. Produced around 160 horsepower, tuned for broader torque. K24Z series, K24Z1, K24Z2, K24Z3, K24Z4, K24Z7, etc. used in a wide array of models from approximately 2008 to 2014, including the Honda Accord, CR-V, Element, Civic C, K24Z7 and 9 Gen C, and Acura TSX, later years. These often featured an integrated exhaust manifold, headifold, designed for better packaging and quicker catalytic converter light-off. Power output varied, with the K24Z7 and the Civic C producing 201 horsepower. K24W series, K24W1, K24W2, K24W4, K24W7, etc. introduced around 2013 to 2014 with Honda's Earth Dreams technology. These are often direct-injected versions, unlike previous port-injected K24S, offering improved fuel economy and power. Found in later generations of the Honda Accord, CR-V, and Odyssey, some markets. The K24W7 in the 9th generation Accord 2.4L produced around 185 to 190 horsepower. The Honda K24 engine has been a cornerstone of Honda's powertrain lineup for over 2 decades. Its blend of rock-solid reliability, practical power delivery, and significant tuning potential has earned it a stellar reputation among both everyday drivers and automotive enthusiasts. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.